Hi guys, it's Renovating Renee here, and I thought I would do something fun. You know, if we've been on quarantine for a while, it doesn't have to be that boring. So what I decided to do was an upcycle on some old clothes that I had at home. The first was a pair of pants that I had a couple of years ago that I bought from Macy's in the junior department. It does have a little stretch and it got a little too small for me. So what I did was cut the pants down the middle and made a skirt from it. I will also put a picture side by side so you can see how I wore these. The second item was some corduroy pants that I bought from the thrift store in the men's department. Again, I cut the pants down the middle and came up with this skirt, as well as the skirt that I have on. Also bought the pants from the men's department at the thrift store. This was one of the first shirts that we revamped or recycled. It's a regular dress button-down men's shirt. I cut the top off with the collar and placed some elastic around the top part. That way I can wear it off the shoulder. Now, this was my quarantine DIY project. Last week, I decided to revamp or recycle this shirt. Just like the first one, I was so bored, I did this one. I will show you guys how I made this shirt. There's a video soon coming out with that. Like I said, quarantine does not have to be boring. You can find different things to do. Let me know what you guys have done since you've been on quarantine. Talk to you later. Bye, renovators.